Ariana Grande, God is a Woman Outfits plus Katy Perry Roar. Get ready, guys! Today we're going to recreate the looks of your favorite artists from their most epic music videos. But first, make sure you show us some love by subscribing, hitting the notification bell, and clicking the thumbs up button if you liked this video. Ready? Here we go! The necklace. You're going to need a piece of red felt fabric, some feathers, and some gold metallic spray paint. Cut slits in the felt fabric about 1 inch up. Place buttons on the side of the fabric and sew them on. Match the fabric sides together and mark lines for the buttonholes. Cut buttonholes with an X-Acto knife. Next, measure and cut flaps to match the sections in the fabric and glue them on. Time for the feathers. Glue the feathers to the bottoms of the flaps, like this. Keep adding feathers until the whole piece is covered. Then, unbutton the necklace and lay it flat. Spray paint the feathers with your gold metallic paint. Now grab a black sweater. Fold the sleeve in and sew it together. Attach some sparkly gold ribbon to the front and hot glue some gold foil over it. Glue some gold foil to the sparkly ribbon. Next, on the back of a piece of blue glitter foam sheet, draw 4 triangles. Cut them out and glue these star-shaped jewels to one of the triangles. Glue various jewels and bead designs to the other 3 triangles as well. Now take a tie-dyed blue hoodie and cut off the hood. Cut out a strip from the hood and roll it up. Cut away any excess fabric and glue it together. Mark the shirt with a piece of chalk and cut out the front, like this. Then glue the rolled up piece of fabric to the collar, leaving a bit of space in the middle. Embellish the front with this jewel-flowered ribbon. Glue a few strands of jewels across the opening of the skirt, just below the collar. Add in your glitter foam sheet triangles and more jeweled flowers across the chest area. Add some jeweled strands until the look is complete. Now get your hands on a leopard print top, like this one, and also a red bra. First, cut the sleeves off. Cut the sleeves open, fold in half, and cut to even out. cut off the collar. Then, cut out a scoop neckline. Gather the fabric in the center of the shirt and sew it together to cinch it up. Glue the bra into the shirt. Fold the bottom of the shirt under and glue it around the back strap and under the cups of the bra. Now, cut away the bottom part of the other sleeve and cut some jagged edges in it. Paint the edges back, glue the jagged fabric to the bottom of the bra, and you're done with the top. Grab some blue underwear and some artificial leaves and flowers. Glue the leaves onto the underwear until they're fully covered. Then flip them around and do the back side. Glue some flowers on to complete the look. Next, grab a cat ear headband and wrap pink glitter tape around it. Be sure to cover the ears too. Glue a bunch of flowers to the headband. And those are Ariana Grande and Katy Perry outfits. Thanks for watching Crafty Hackers. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more crafty hacks and ideas. See you later.